What do you pay for when you use electricity? What are you really paying for when your electricity meter counts the energy used in your home? When you look at your bill from your electricity supplier, you see that you pay per kilowatt hour. How much energy is 1 kilowatt hour? 1 kilowatt hour is 1000 watts that any household appliance consumes during 1 hour of its operation. Power, in watts, is the amount of work done by electricity. The formula for power comes from Ohm's law and states that power, watt, equals voltage, volt, multiplied by current, ampere. 1 watt equals 1 volt times 1 ampere. Example. Knowing the power of an electrical device or equipment, you can calculate how long it must operate to consume 1 kilowatt-hour of energy for which you must pay. How long does a 10 watts bulb have to operate to consume 1 kilowatt-hour of energy? 10 watts bulb uses 10 watts per hour. So a 1 kilowatt will be used in 1000 watts divided by 10 watts equals 100 hours. 10 watts bulb must operate for 100 hours to consume 1 kilowatt of energy. Knowing the power and voltage of this light bulb, 120 volts, you can easily calculate the current consumed by this device, transforming the formula. Power equals voltage times current. So the current is equals power over voltage. For 10 watt light bulb at 120 volts, the current is current equals power divided by voltage equals 10 watts divided by 120 volts equals 83 thousandths of an ampere. If the current and power are known, the formula is voltage equals power over current. Power is power, so watt is a watt, regardless of voltage and current. An electrical device or equipment must use the same amount of energy to do the same job. The same 10 watt light bulb powered by 10 volts or 1000 volts will consume the same amount of energy, only the current flowing through it will be different, lower at a higher voltage or higher at a lower voltage. Power is voltage times current. For 10 volts, the current is current equals power over voltage equals 10 watt divided by 10 volts equals 1 ampere. For 1000 volts, the current is current equals power over voltage equals 10 watt divided by 1000 volts equals 1/100th of an ampere.